All right, so this is the same content as finding a missing side, but in this case, we haven't given you a triangle. So I, again, will draw a triangle. I don't worry so much about what it looks like. I just want to have ideas. So it tells us in each problem, angle C is 90. Okay, so this is going to be angle C. This is going to be side C. So then this makes this angle A. I'm making it up. The picture is not going to be right. So this is side A. So this is angle B, and this is side B. So they tell us that A, because angle and side are opposite each other, is 11. And I want to find B. Okay, so what do I know? This angle is 61, so this is opposite and this is adjacent. I don't know the hypotenuse at this point. So which trig function uses opposite and adjacent? That's tangent. So tangent 61 degrees is going to equal 11 over x. And then it's just the same thing we've done before. Remember, you can just trade these two when it's offset like this. Oops. You're cross multiplying, okay? So this is going to become x is equal to 11 divided by tangent 61. And I'm going to put that in the calculator. 11 divided by tangent 61. And I got 6.1. Okay. So again, we're going with angle C is 90. So make sure we know that. So now we have these other pieces that we're dealing with. So again, I'll just draw a triangle, C. So this is what I'm finding is side C, opposite. That's the hypotenuse. B is 57 degrees, okay? And then I know side B is opposite that. All right, so opposite and hypotenuse. The trig function we're going to use for that one is sine of 57 degrees is equal to 14 over hypotenuse. So x is going to equal 14 divided by sine of 57 degrees. So 14 divided by sine of 57. And I got x is equal to 16.7. So that's the length of that side. And then finally, remember we still have angle C is 90 degrees. So my very rough triangle that I just keep drawing, right? C is 90 degrees. So let's make this A, why don't we say, and that's 56.2 degrees. So this is side A. It wants me to find C, which is this one, right? And so side B is opposite angle B, but I'm using angle A, so I have hypotenuse and adjacent. So that means that I'm going to use cosine. So cosine of 56.2 degrees is equal to adjacent 7 over hypotenuse. So these two reverse when I cross multiply. Okay, once again, we end up with cosine 56.2 degrees times x equals 7. So I divide by cosine 56.2. Okay, so x is equal to that in my calculator. 7 divided by cosine 56.2. So these problems you cannot do without a calculator, okay? So 12.6, and that's not degrees. I started to write a degree mark. but that is the length of the side. So sometimes you may need to draw a picture. And like I said, I never make sure that my picture is perfect. I just need to have the sides and the angles so that I can visualize it in my head, because I can't just do it from here and be like, okay, well, A is this and B is adjacent, and it just doesn't work in my brain. If it works for you, then that's awesome.